look what happens. Now the paramedics are here. Yep. Welcome everybody back to the vlog. What's going on, people? It's Edgar. This is Kobe, and he's got, what do you got, man? Tell him what you got. Change from over the entire year he collected. Did you collect all this change? Most of it is mine anyways. Mine, people that come and leave change in his piggy bank, but we're going to Coinstar right now to see how much change he collected. What are you gonna buy me? Nothing? Come on, man. We're at Stater Brothers. He's gonna go see how much he's got, right? Of order, man. We're gonna have to go somewhere else. So what are you gonna do, man? Are you ready? Get cash. Accept. Go ahead. Start feeding it. Slowly. So what you do is you put the coins in this little tray here, and then it starts to count individually which ones. No, just do it by hand, because if you do it all at once, we're up to $18, $19, man. You're almost there to a full tank of gas. It's almost done. Where do you think it's gonna stop?
$50.
50 bucks? How much am I gonna get out of this?
51.
50. So our total after every, let me see, is that it? $63. 51.63. So then you go, I'm done. You could turn it into like gift cards. I guess here it's just a voucher. So you grab your voucher. It tells you $51.63, man. $51 from coins collected. All right, let's go cash it out. Wow, $51, man. $51 in your hand. What are you gonna do?
Buy Hot Wheels.
Buy Hot Wheels. So tell them what really happened, man. Usually when we have to deliver a new bed, they call the paramedics. They get her out of the old one and wait for us to bring in the new one. And then they put her back into the new one that we just brought in. So we're waiting for them to finish, and then we'll go back in there and, oh yeah, these people out here are nice. Look at, for the UPS guy. When we get tipped in, not one snack, but man, if the homies on the theater can see this, I got the whole thing. Man, you can make a badass fucking, man, I got a spread right here, dog. You can make a spread here. Motherfuckers use it 2 times, bro. Gotta get the traffic, cameraman on it. 52 times zoom. Unload the bed, man. San Diego. See how much nicer it is? Look how much nicer it is than North California. Nice, clear, beautiful skies. I'm wearing shorts. It's like 70 degrees out here. But North Cal, man, it is cold. It's gloomy. It was rainy. I had just washed the truck and it got super filthy. We had to wash it again this morning.